Unveiling the World of Butterbeans, an English Delight. Hello and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're diving into a delicious part of the English language, the term butterbeans. If you're ready to expand your vocabulary and explore English culinary terms, then you're in for a treat. Let's get started. Butterbeans, also known as lima beans, are a type of legume that is widely enjoyed for their buttery texture and delicate flavor. They are a staple in various cuisines and are known for their large, flat, and creamy-colored appearance. Not only are they delicious, but they're also packed with nutrition. The name, butterbeans, comes from their creamy texture and rich, butter-like flavor. This term is commonly used in the southern United States, while lima beans is preferred elsewhere. Understanding regional differences in English can be quite fascinating. Butterbeans are incredibly versatile in cooking. They can be boiled, baked, or mashed and are often included in soups, stews, and salads. Their mild flavor makes them an excellent canvas for spices and other flavors in dishes. In English, food terms often find their way into everyday language. For example, someone might say they're full of beans when they're energetic. Although this doesn't directly reference butter beans, it's a fun way to see how food and language mix. We hope you've enjoyed learning about butterbeans and adding a new term to your English vocabulary. Stay curious and keep exploring the rich flavors of the English language. Until next time, happy learning!